again.
God put us where He needed us to be that day. We make a difference in someone's life. We share God's love.
You are very special, and you can make a difference because those exceptional moments will stay.
Remember that every day we have these opportunities for exceptional moments, and give yourself a hand.
I will create an exceptional moment in every interaction.
My pleasure. It changes everything.
It's exciting, the energy, the positivity of being an Adventist health worker is just awesome.
Always wear a smile. It's most important to the patients.
You are part of a very important team, Adventist Health.
I love this organization.